Today I am going to do another What I Eat in a Day video. Plus I'm adding a November challenge. I'm going to do some things to help me stay motivated and accountable for the month of November. So if you'd like to see what's in my plans and what I eat in a day, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. It is going to be November tomorrow, or NEWvember is what I'm going to call it. I have signed up for Weight Watchers in person instead of the digital that I've been doing, so I can do the in-person meetings. I have put on a little bit of the weight I've lost, so I'm trying to be accountable, and I thought NEWvember would be the month to do this. I'm going to put out some videos every single day to make me accountable for what I'm eating and to stay in my goals of eating healthy, getting fit, and being well. So some of the videos may be short, just a quick what I ate in the day, and others will be long. Besides my what I eat in the day videos, my daily ones, I'm going to post some videos for the week, which will give you more of my day, but I'm going to do a video every day of the month on what I eat. So let's go. NEWvember, here we come. Having it called NEWvember sounded like a good idea, since I have heard that WW or Weight Watchers is coming out with a new plan for the next year, and it's going to be starting mid-month. It's pretty similar to the old blue plan, where no one has a choice on what kinds of 0-point foods they have. So this is a new month. It's going to be a new plan, and let's get started, and we'll have new attitude towards this new program in NEWvember. So if you'd like to see how I'm going to do that, be sure to subscribe, and you'll get notified every time I upload a video for the month of November. So hopefully we can get started before the holidays. Before you know, it's going to be December, so I thought getting one good month in will help me stay on track. I've been out of town so much for a lot of this year. I was in Florida till April, then went to Vegas in May, went to New York in June, went back to Vegas in July. I was in Florida again for the end of July and beginning of August. Then I went to California, and then I came back. I was in Michigan, then I went back to Vegas. I was out and doing jobs for my poker job a lot. It's hard to stay on track when I have these things going on. So my goal here is to get motivated, and to do that, I'm going to try to make myself accountable every single day by eating right. I'm going to post the videos here. So if you'd like to see what I eat on this video, and then tomorrow will be the start of daily videos for November. So come on along and share the day with me. For breakfast, I'm having one of these Trader Joe's Egg Witch sandwiches. It's made of turkey sausage and American cheese. It is only 4 points for each one. This is a new item for me. And that's my breakfast. I'm having a banana for 0 points and the 4-point egg sandwich, and along with my iced coffee, so it's going to be a total of 5 points. Taste testing this sandwich. It's really good. I would buy it again at Trader Joe's. Just microwave it in paper towel for about 50 seconds and flip it and do it another 50 seconds. For lunch, I'm having a turkey sandwich with tomato on it and some light mayo, and some 2 points worth of the sour cream puffs from Trader Joe's, and 2 mandarin oranges. So this lunch is 5 points on the WW plan. After lunch, I decided to take a walk around the lake in our neighborhood. It was a beautiful fall afternoon, so I thought I would take the opportunity to get some extra steps in and enjoy the last of the fall days. For dinner, I'm making some pasta with this spinach and artichoke dip with Trader Joe's, and I put the frozen dip in the middle of a pan, and I'm going to put it in the oven. But first, I am going to pour some cherry tomatoes in the pan, and then I'm going to sprinkle some Italian seasoning on top of the tomatoes and the dip before I put it in the oven. I'm going to spray the entire mixture with some olive oil spray. And I'm also going to add some minced garlic, probably about 2 tablespoons, and really it's as much as you like. I like garlic, some people don't. Then I'm going to boil some of this Fiber Gourmet Light Rotini. It's much lower in points. I'll put a link to it below. And this is the dish after I baked it in the oven, and then I will add the cooked pasta to it for the finished product. I'm going to add some basil after it's cooked to give it some more flavor, and then I'm going to add the noodles to it and mix it up. This is a take on a TikTok pasta that they use with feta cheese, but I like this Trader Joe's artichoke dip better. So it is a really tasty dish, and this is 1 serving. I ended up having 1.5 servings, and it is 7 points per serving. So it was 11 points for a serving and a half. And this is really good. For dessert tonight, I am having a piece of pumpkin pie. My husband bought one. He had a taste for it. So I had a half of a regular size piece, so it is 7 points for the piece of pumpkin pie and 1 point for the light Cool Whip. And I had a lower points meal today, so that's going to be my dessert. My last food I ate for the day was a couple of these oatmeal bites. I had bought them on Amazon. They are 1 point a piece. And I also had an iced coffee. So I ended the day with 31 points. So that's going to be the end of my What I Ate in the Day video. Stay tuned for videos coming up to see how November goes. And if you want to join me, come on along. Let's get started. Let's get a head start on the holidays so we're on track and we'll stay focused through the end of the year. If you like this kind of video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.